Hi Jordan, thank you so much for taking time out to watch my video. My name is Tisha. We spoke yesterday. So I wanted to just touch base with you in regards to how your website is doing. I came across your business while doing some research on plumbers in your area. So I want to just go over just a few points to help generate some new business, get more traffic to your website. Today we'll be talking about content, citations, and backlinks. So content is all of the information, any information that you can find on a website. So any of the words, pictures, what the pictures are saved as, what's behind the pictures. That's all included in the citations, or if you have any videos as well. So it's really important that you have. I would recommend at least 1,500 words, so that way you can include keywords throughout the website, and that's what's going to generate business or people to have your website rank a little bit higher. So the next is going to be citations. Now, citations is anywhere that your website can be found. It could be through Google, Yelp, LinkedIn, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, for example. So the if you have citations, or I should say, the more citations that you have, then people will know about your business. So then that's really important. So if you can get your information out there. Now, when I Googled plumbers in Sacramento, so this is what I came up with. The first thing we'll see here is our map pack. Now, this is really important because a lot of times when people are Googling for certain companies or a certain service that they're looking for, the first companies that they see, they will go directly over to their website or give them a call. So if you can get your business here in that map pack, then that will be important. The next thing will be the organic search. So the organic search shows that Rooter Hero is your number one competition in your area. And so I just want to show how you're ranking. So let's see here. I believe I found you on page 4. Okay, so page 4, and then you're number 37. So if you notice that there were several companies, it was Angie's List, Yelp, ads came before your website. So if you can, do all you can as far as adding those keywords in or having more traffic come to the website, then you'll rank higher. We want to try to get you on that first page. Now, as I mentioned, your number one competition is Rooter Hero. So I just want to take a look at their website. So this is what we find. So they do have a lot of content. They're using, including a lot of those keywords. Okay, so I just want to show you that. So by implementing some of those keywords that they're using, then that can help you rank your website a little bit higher as well. So the next thing that we'll look at is it's a website called Ahrefs. Now Ahrefs shows what your website, how your website is doing. And so we'll look at yours and also Rooter Hero. So I'm showing that for your websites, you have a little bit over 1,000 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that are found anywhere on the internet that leads people back to your website. So it brings in traffic. So the more backlinks that you have, the more traffic you will have coming over to your website. I'm showing that you guys are using about 1,900 keywords throughout your domains that you currently have. And then you're bringing in about 817 people to the website. And then this is about how much revenue you're generating with that traffic. The next I want to show you Rooter Hero. So they have about a little bit over 24,000 backlinks. They have several domains, and then they're using about 6,300 organic keywords. They're bringing in about 9,000 people to their website, and this is about how much revenue that they have based on that traffic. What we do is we take a look at any keywords that your competition is using. We make sure that we utilize that. on your website to help you rank higher. And then again, that's going to have you help you with business. So I hope that you enjoyed some of these tips that I provided. Again, you're welcome to go ahead and use these tips for yourself. If you would like a more in-depth conversation, I would love to help you. My phone number you can reach me at is 916-378-9773. Or you can also respond back to the email. I would love to hear back from you either way, just to provide some feedback on the video. And I thank you again for your time. You have a good day.